Model, 64-plate Renault Master Business MM35dCi 110 MOTED. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 159,652. MOT, the 5th of March 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-110 E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing. It is still charging fine, just noisy. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. You can tell this master has never been driven hard. With just a little bit of TLC, this van could be back to tip-top condition and on the road making you money. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HP